Hello, I am Tom Conrad, Director of Research and Development at Crescent Manufacturing in Fremont. We've been serving our community since 1898 by manufacturing specialty cutting edges for the food and medical industries. Do you want to be a part of a team of progressive people? Are you ready to push your skills, learn new things, and perfect your craft while having the lifestyle you desire? Crescent is looking to invest in people's future to ensure we prepare ourselves for the next 100 years. We're looking for hardworking individuals like you who are eager to help design and build tooling and dies for our razor blade manufacturing company by joining our apprenticeship program. Did you know that being an apprentice comes with the many benefits and perks? At Crescent Manufacturing, our apprentices are a part of a state-registered apprenticeship program. You will learn alongside tenured craftsmen while also taking classes at Terra States Community College at no cost to you. We provide our apprentices with base pay of $17 an hour and a progressive pay system for hours served. Apprentices earn while they learn. The pay system is structured to pay you more as you progress in skill level. Top rate is achieved when you serve 8,000 hours of combined on-the-job training and education time. Terra's skilled trades education is like no other, with a state-of-the-art equipment and highly experienced instructors. With over 50 years of experience training students for manufacturing skills, Terra States apprenticeship programs are designed to meet employer and employee needs by being both highly personalized to both the student and employer. As a graduate of Terra State and a past apprentice at Crescent Manufacturing, I understand the importance of learning a new skill. My experiences as an apprentice and a Terra State student set me up for success and growth in my future. After graduating my apprenticeship as a machine repairman, I eventually took over the skilled trades manager, progressed into operations manager role, and eventually became the director of research and development where I am today. The position is a great opportunity for graduates to lay a foundation on a lifelong career with growth opportunities at a progressive company in our community. If you are interested in applying for our apprenticeship program, please forward a resume, any credentials earned, and all other information you would like to be considered to 1310 Majestic Drive, Fremont, Ohio. Attention Matt Wheeler, or M Wheeler, WHEELER at crescentblades.com. To apply to Terra State's numerous apprenticeship programs, please visit terra.edu/apply. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you and how you can impact the future of our community.